1039, Dayton's alternative.
Dan's our phone screener is back at work for the first time in 45 days. He's been in rehab. He has drug charges. He says he's a heroin addict. Doogie, you're upset that the company allowed him to come back to work because if he does something stupid,
well, it comes back on me. If he does. You're saying when. I'm saying if.
Yeah, if. Positive attitude, Doogie.
Keep doing that because it's worked so well.
He's in a good place.
Best place I've seen him in a long time.
Long time,
Right
okay.
here. This is the best you've seen him. This guy's fixed. Look at
He
him.
needs a fix.
Morning Glory. Mornings on Alt 1039. Dayton's alternative.
Westbound 75 continues to crawl, approaching an accident before Edwin C. Moses Boulevard. 2 lanes are blocked and traffic backs up past Dixie because of it. I'm also seeing some slow traffic in South 75 as you approach North Fairfield Road. That's due to a work crew right side.
Sponsored by Farmers Insurance. At Farmers Insurance, we know every windshield collision has a unique sound. Beetle. Bird poop. Drone. Seen it, covered it. Talk to Farmers.
Underwritten by Farmers Truck Fire Insurance Exchanges and Affiliates. Products not available in every state. What am I doing this summer? I'm heading to Family Dollar for huge summer savings, so I can have summer-sized fun.
Oh, no, you're not heading to Family Dollar.
$5 off your $25
Family Dollar's gone.
Coupons. Coca-Cola 12-pack.